Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and tap to the last button, the account, at the lower right corner, and here just scroll down and you can find the language preferences button under the audio player settings. Tap that, and here you can find different languages, for example Espanol, French, Portuguese, Deutsch or others. Actually I use the English, but if you want to select another, just click that. For example, Portuguese, click that and click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.